Hey guys, Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back to my channel. In this episode, we're going to be talking about this bad boy here. I just got finished restoring it, and I'm super excited to talk to you guys about this one. This is a KYOSHO RAIDER, as you can tell. Just got finished putting decals on it, so they're still a little bubbly. But anyways, very cool car. Very hard to find this version. These cars were released back in 1987, and they were kind of cheap in a sense. I think you get them for around $100 back in the day, and kids loved them. They were pretty good cars, but they didn't handle all that great. They weren't all that fast, so other versions would come out. My recollection of one that I remember my friend having was the black and green wheeled one. I think that one came out just a little bit later than the 87 version. I could be wrong, but I think it did. Very cool car. This one was released in 91. This is the Pro. I just got finished redoing the paint as well. The guy that I bought this car from destroyed the body with all kinds of like blacks and blues and greens underneath it, and I had to strip all that, bring it back to its original color, which is the white with the graphics. So it should look like that, which is pretty close. And you can even turn them into stadium trucks too, which is kind of cool. You just got to buy the kits for that. So, but anyways, let me show you a little bit on the inside. So this kit, released in 91, is kit 3097, I believe it is, 3197. Yeah, so I have to look at my notes for that. And this one would just give you a mechanical speed control, and that's about it. But you could get the ARR version, and that would give you, I believe, a radio as well. So it's ARR, almost ready to run. Let me show you inside. So these were midship designs. The originals were built in Japan. So these are made, this one is made in Korea. So pretty neat cars. This one had a lot of work that I had to do to it. I had to change out the servo and fix it up a little bit. And then the motor was burned, so I put this one in. It came with Le Mans 05s in it. So if you guys have any memories of them, please leave me some messages down below. Tell me what you guys thought about these cars, if you remember them. Heck, even the original Raider. I've been trying to find one of these for a very long time, and luckily I found one, but it would need a lot of work. This wing is not the correct wing. I actually made this wing. Doesn't look too bad, but the original one is definitely better. So, very cool car. So happy to finally get this thing done. There we go. So I'm going to put the Chinese ESC in it. That's what it is. It's pretty cheap, and it'll be just enough for this kind of car. Doesn't need a whole lot. So these cars handle okay. They're not too bad with the oil shocks and the dish type wheels, which were a little lighter, gave you a little bit better handling versus the original one. So can't wait to get this bad boy running again. What else I want to talk to you about? What the price ranges will these be if you find any? They're going to be climbing, especially the Pro versions. The original ones, I think you could probably find, like the Raiders, probably around $60 on up. This one's going to be right around $75, $80 on up. So they look really good, as you can tell. Attractive, little buggy, and they don't handle it too bad. I think it actually looks pretty sharp. So decals are a little bubbly. I gotta heat those up. So I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. Please hit a like, and I'd love for you to subscribe. Got a whole lot of cool stuff coming up on this, and can't wait for you to see the running review. Alright guys, bye. Turned out pretty cool.